Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. Have you ever been out somewhere on your own and you're a little unsure where you are and you kind of wish that somebody could watch over you and make sure that everything's okay? Well, now you can get that peace of mind with the Katana Safety Wallet. We first saw the Katana at CES back in 2018, and recently they sent us their new Katana Safety Wallet for us to test out and review. So this is what the package looks like, and what it is, it's a little device that you put onto the back of your phone. And here it is right here. So it's got a wallet, and it's also got a device that communicates with an app on your phone, as well as a 24/7 monitoring service. And you can reach out to this service anytime that you have an emergency or you just feel unsafe. So I'm going to show you how to install the Katana Safety Wallet and set it up on the app. Then I'm going to take it out for a run and show you how it works. Before you get started, we recommend you take a picture of the Katana wallet before you attach it to the phone. That way you'll always have the serial number of your device. To get started, first download the Katana Safety app from the App Store and set up an account on your phone. Next, you'll set up your profile. This is where you enter all of your personal data. You can even add the details about your car. This will be important information for the safety operator to have in case of an emergency. You'll also add your year of birth, and this will be your password for the operator if they need to contact you to verify your identity. Then ask you to add Katana services to your phone book. Next, it will send you a verification code. You'll see an Add Device on the home screen, or you can go to the menu, click My Devices, and push the plus key. The app will walk you through the installation process. For the Katana to work properly, you'll need to make sure you're always connected to Bluetooth and that your location services are on. You'll also need phone service and a Wi-Fi or cellular data plan. Now it's time to pair your device. Wake it up by pulling the red tab out, then put it back in when it starts to beep. Then click Start Pairing, and the app will do the rest. After it's paired, it may do a quick firmware update before you move on. I renamed mine from the long standard name to Valerie. To use the device with a Katana service, you will have to sign up for a service plan. Depending where you buy, it's likely that it will come with 1 or more months of free service. Click through the prompts to accept the plan. Now it's time to set up your circle of safety. These are your trusted contacts you want to be there for you in an emergency. You must add at least one person, and you can add up to 7 if you have the premium plan. You can select someone from your phone book, or you can add a new contact and then add their phone number and email addresses. For each contact, you can customize how and when you would like them to be contacted. If the Katana Safety Center can't reach you, they will contact your circle. You can always go back and tweak these settings at any time. Once the device is connected, you have a plan subscription and at least one circle of safety contact, you're all ready to go. There's a couple other things I think are worth highlighting. On the home screen, you'll see a little battery indicator on the top right-hand corner. The battery is designed to last about 2 years. In the profile, if you have an iPhone, you can add Siri controls. I customized these for the silent alert, the audible alert, and the walk with me feature. These work with the iPhone today and should work with the Apple Watch sometime in the future. In the menu, there's also a resource center with links to a crisis text line, resources to report cyber issues, and the National Human Traffic Hotline. There's also a link to a tutorial that we recommend clicking through before you get started. Now that it's installed, let's see how it works. So I'm out here on a run, and let me show you how you can use the Katana Safety Wallet with the app. Okay, so it shows you where I am here on the map, and it's got a few things that I can do right here from the map. So what I can do is I can contact my circle of safety. So let me tap on Mark here, and you can see I can send a distress message. I can request him to call me, or I can call him now, and I can do all these right here from the Katana Safety app. So if I send him a distress message, it'll just send him a text message, and I could customize it too if I want. If I'm in a hurry, I just push send and it'll send him a distress message. I can also call or request him to call me now. If I request a call, he'll get a text message that says, Valerie needs you to call her. So let me cancel that. I've also got my mom in my circle of safety here. And then the other safety features you can do here from the app is you can send an alert. So if I push this, this is going to send an alert to the Katana operator, the safety operator that's on 24/7. I can also summon a feature called Walk With Me. We're going to show you how that works a little bit later. And then if I really need it, I can just call 911 right here from the app. So I'm not going to tap these now, but this is how you can use it right here from the app. So let me close the app, and I'll show you another really cool feature. So I've got this on the back of my phone while I'm out for a run, and what's really neat about this is it's not just a safety device, it's also a little wallet, and I can store up to 3 cards in here. So right now I put and you push it up this way, And so I've got my driver's license in here and another credit card. And this is great because I don't normally carry this kind of stuff with me when I run, and it's good to have. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and activate an alert. This is Valerie. No, I don't. I'm actually just doing a test. Can you see if you can see my location? Okay, good. That's pretty accurate. You can also use the Katana Safety Wallet without having to open the app, because the Safety Wallet can actually bypass your phone's lock screen. So there's two little side buttons here on the Katana Safety Wallet, and if you push these together, it will activate a silent alert. And what this will do, it won't make any noise or anything, but it will alert the Katana Safety Center that you need help, and they'll contact you. So in case of an emergency or something's gone wrong, the other thing you can do is you can activate an audible alert. And to do that, you pull down this little red tab right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do this right now. And you can hear that it's beeping. And the longer you let it go, the louder it'll get. Eventually it will set off your phone's alarm. So there it goes, right? So I'm going to push that back in. Since I set off that alert, I should get a call from the Katana Safety Center. So let's see how long that takes. And I've got an alert here on my phone. It says the contact center has been notified. There they are. Hi, this is Valerie. No, it was just a false alarm. Okay, thank you. All right, so that's it. It took them less than a minute to call me back. That was really neat. The other great feature about this audible alarm pull is that it's got a little cord, and you can take this out of the wallet, and it's sort of like a bracelet. So you can put it around your wrist, and then I could keep my phone. I could put it in my purse or in my pocket, and then if I really wanted to, if I was in a situation where it was uncomfortable and I was scared, I could just yank it. I could just yank my wrist. It would set off the audible alert, and it would contact the Katana Safety Response Center, and I don't even have to really even take my phone out. Another really great feature that Katana has is called Walk With Me. So this is a situation where you just might be a little uncertain where you are and you just want somebody to walk with you. So let's try it out. And this time I'm going to use it with Siri. Siri, Katana, walk with me. Hello? No, I just pushed the walk with me. I'm just in a spot that I wanted. I'm on my run, so I just wanted to walk with a little while. I'm in my neighborhood. It's just really kind of dark here. Okay, I'm in the daylight again, so I feel better. So that was it. That was the Walk With Me feature. He was able to stay with me on the phone and confirm my location and to make sure that I felt safe on my run. To use the Katana app effectively, you really need to have a subscription plan. They have two levels, a basic level, which just offers the emergency services in one contact, as well as the premium plan, which offers additional services. I really like the Walk With Me feature that comes with the premium plan. Now, if you've ever been in a dark parking lot or walking alone late at night, sometimes you get that feeling that you just don't feel right. And a lot of times in this situation, I would call my husband on the phone or my mom or somebody else, one of my friends, and I would talk to them on the phone until I feel safe. But, if something happens in that situation, they're not going to be able to get to me. They don't really know where I am. And sometimes they just aren't available to pick up the phone. Now, with the Katana Safety Wallet and the Walk With Me feature, you can call them as many times as you need to, anytime you feel unsafe. And if anything happens while the operator's on the phone with you, they know exactly where you are, and they can reach out and get you the help you need. As you can see, the Katana Safety Wallet and the Support Center worked great. There are multiple ways you can contact them, and they're there 24 hours a day. Thanks for watching our video today. I've included more information about the product we reviewed, as well as links where to buy in the description box below. And while you're there, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ring the bell so you'll find out the next time we have another video. And for more smart home stories, please visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.